Before you commit to a BarkBox subscription, there are a few things you absolutely need to know to make sure you're getting the best deal for both you and your furry friend. In this video, we'll break down 7 essential details that can help you decide if BarkBox is the right choice for your dog. Stick around until the end, because some of these might surprise you and could make or break your decision. First off, let's talk about value. BarkBox is often compared to other subscription boxes for dogs, like Petco's Pup Box and Chewy's Tailored Treats. What sets BarkBox apart is that it's known for the high-quality, curated boxes that are not only filled with treats and toys, but they also tend to offer more variety and personalization. If you want your dog to have new and unique items each month, this is where BarkBox really shines. The next thing you need to know is their customization options. BarkBox gives you the ability to tailor your box based on your dog's size and preferences. Unlike some competitors that send out generic items for all dogs, BarkBox allows you to specify your dog's breed and size, which ensures the treats and toys are suitable for your dog's needs. So, whether your dog is a tiny pup or a larger breed, you can expect a box that fits their needs. Another key point to consider is the subscription options. BarkBox isn't just a one-size-fits-all deal. They offer flexible plans, so whether you want a month-to-month subscription or you're looking for a longer-term commitment, they've got options. Plus, they often have deals like get your first box for free or discounts for long-term subscriptions, which makes trying out the service much more affordable. Next thing to know is how often they send out boxes. BarkBox operates on a monthly schedule, but the contents of each box are always a surprise. That can be a plus or minus depending on your preference. Some dog owners love the excitement of not knowing what's inside, but others prefer knowing what to expect. If you're looking for more consistency, you might want to check out alternatives like PupBox, which offers more tailored boxes with themes. Now, let's talk about the quality of the products. BarkBox is well known for its high-quality treats and durable toys. The toys especially tend to be tougher than those from some competitors like Petco, making them a great option for dogs that chew a lot. From what I've personally seen and tested, the toys hold up well, even with some of the most aggressive chewers. The sixth thing you should know is their cancellation policy. This is something that sets BarkBox apart from some of its competitors. While other subscription services might make it difficult to cancel or change your plan, BarkBox offers a relatively simple cancellation process. If you don't like your box, or if your dog isn't enjoying the items, you can cancel easily and you won't be locked into a lengthy commitment. Finally, the last thing to consider is the overall customer service experience. From personal experience and many user reviews, BarkBox tends to get high marks for customer service. If you have any issues with your box, whether it's missing items or damage, their support team is pretty responsive. That's something I've found lacking with a few other subscription box companies, so BarkBox definitely gets a thumbs up here. If you're still on the fence about BarkBox and you want to try it for yourself, I've got great news. You can grab the best offer and even try BarkBox completely free by clicking the first link in the description. That way, you can check it out risk-free and see if it's the right fit for your dog. To sum it up, BarkBox stands out because of its customization, quality products, and flexible plans, but it's not for everyone. If you want a subscription box that's a bit more predictable, or you're looking for something with fewer surprises, there might be better alternatives. But for most dog owners who want to pamper their pets with new and exciting treats and toys each month, BarkBox is definitely worth trying out. Click the first link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, and get your first BarkBox experience today.